It's morphin' time. Oh. I was supposed to take all those guys out as Clank. You know, suddenly that all makes a lot of sense. I didn't even see Ratchet that was over there on his back there. Here's that little thing I was talking about. I wonder what that was. Looks like...
Hey! What the?
Imbeciles! After all the trouble you've gone through, you're about to die right where you started. It's so poetic.
This is it, Clank. Let's get him.
I wonder... Oh, that took out a lot of health.
You might have been useful to me after all. Too bad you chose the wrong side.
Uh-oh. Okay, well, that didn't last long. I didn't really see anything worth coming back here for either. Oh look! A place to stop shop. And that'll take me back to my ship. These look like they're about to collapse. Look at that, they collapsed. You know what? In hindsight, I probably should have bought a lot more ammo. Oh, there's ammo over here. Wow, whoa. Not what I was expecting. Uh-oh. Come on. Well, at least he doesn't have aim. Alright, I got Tesla Claw ammo, so let's use the Tesla Claw. Now he's gonna pull the Tesla Claw out on me. Well, let me get... Oh, are these things... this time? Or is it just when I leave? I hope it's when I leave, because I want to make sure I get all this ammo. Well, why'd you give me Pyroster ammo if I couldn't use it? Grab the swing shot, because I see the target over there. There we go. Is this just going to be the quote-unquote boss fight? We're going to follow him around and shoot at him? Uh-oh. And now I got to do it all over again. I wonder if I can hit him with a Visibomb from here. That'd be kind of cool. Yeah, I doubt it, though. Oh, it's not even going to attempt to let me try. That's funny.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Matter of fact,
I got some great bargains for you today.
just go ahead and get as much ammo as we
Oh, that's
can
a
while
nice
we're
one.
here. And we'll do it like I had said. If I don't have any to lose, they'll just give me that ammo back.
That's a real beauty.
You know what? Think about it, but I should be using the drone device too. I'm fine with the Visibomb. I don't see me using it a lot. You know what? For the quick select, let's go ahead and change this over to the drone device. Just because I think it's going to be helpful in the grand scheme of things when fighting him. It feels like one of those things that if I I have that out, and he tries to throw rockets at me. I'll be perfectly fine to block. Yep, and just like that, they are gone. Oh! Well, they can't really do anything about that. More Devastator, one Visibomb. All the other Visibomb ammo is all the way over there. There we go. That was pretty well. It looks like it just starts me off on this one. It's not really timed, but as soon as I leave, it falls. Do that and this. I mean, it's not the first time I've died via a stupid reason. So I can't really be mad that the final boss, quote unquote, got me just because I did something stupid. Because he didn't even take me out. But I only had 2 health at the end of that anyways. Oh, look at that! Speaking of... What's happening? Mines? Well, I feel like that was extremely pointless on his part. I wonder if I'd actually be able to get off a Visibomb on him. And I'm willing to try while he's doing this right here. Yeah, but it's not gonna happen when I'm doing this. I did get it off though, which is kind of surprising. Devastator. Well, if I do it while he's throwing the mines. Oh, that wasn't it. Uh-oh. Okay. So there's time. There is time to do it. To get the Visibomb off, which is kind of surprising. Do the swing shot. Oh, I thought the platform was falling already with me still on it, and I was getting a little worried. This looks like the final stand kind of area. Hey, there's a couple of no, I thought there was a couple of things over there.
It has come to this. Once I step on this ignition switch, a countdown will commence. The end of which signals the destruction of your pitiful world.
There must be another way to make a home for your people.
You think that's what this is about? Who do you think polluted our last world? I did. This is about one thing and one thing only. Cash, and lots of it. You see, I've been paid for every square inch of my new world. Once the inhabitants move in, I will begin polluting this world as well. Then the whole thing starts all over again. Ah, brilliant.
Why, you evil little...
Save it, Clank. We have to stop that timer.
Power slam that button to terminate the countdown. To power slam, jump.
Remember how to power slam. Well, this has become... Oh my. Oh, he's gonna follow me. You know what? If he's gonna follow me, you know what kind of weapon I should grab? I haven't used it almost at all, but... Alrighty. That worked out differently than I expected it to. While he's doing this, we'll grab the bomb. I got one off. Think I can get two off? I can. Oh, did I take damage from that or not? That's interesting. I ended up shooting the missile with my missile. What's happening here? Is that Gadgetbots? Hold on, because I'm not about to get something that'll... Oh god. I keep forgetting the game works in a way where if you select something, it doesn't work to where you can grab something else. Grab another drone device, because they're all gone. Oh wait, I gotta leave. And then let's grab the mine glove again. Some Tesla claw ammo. More Tesla claw ammo. Another drone glove. Another mine glove. Is he gonna stop shooting the, Oh my. Oh, he's doing it now, but it's... You know what, honestly? Oop, nope, not that. Oh, I can switch to the thruster pack. Didn't realize. Will you stop doing that? It's
Hi
just
there, Fuzzball.
a whole bunch more Devastator ammo, because it's not giving me any either. Let's do this. Alright. Oh, well. We knew that was a good possibility. Oh wait, do I have to do it all over again? Really? I have to do all of that in one go?
I got some great...
I'm surprised, honestly. Alright then, because that's going to be tough. Like, that's actually going to be tough.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Get all the Visibomb glove stuff. Just max myself out on ammo and do it
That's
the
a
way I
real
was
beauty.
talking about. Mine glove, yeah.
That's a real beauty.
And let go. Yeah, I wasn't expecting to have to do it all over again. Again, another situation where checkpoints, man. Just if they had put the right checkpoint in the right spot, like I can get the first two phases, but to have to do all of it over and over again. Alright, well, that happened pretty quickly, so I will go ahead with this. Let's see. Equip one of these again. And no, let's not do that. Let's just keep shooting with something simple. Okay. Well, apparently, my, there are so many issues with this game that I'm having. Like, if I come in here and I tell it to equip this, I shouldn't have to leave, go back in, to equip something else. 'Cause I was serious about using the blaster. I mean, now I don't have any more Devastator ammo, but that only took out the first little bit of his health. Trespasser. Nope. Swing shot. I said swing shot. I heard Trespasser's noise. Yeah, there we go. Oh, come on. And this is why. Just keep these attached. I jumped over that. Alright. The only part that's actually going to aggravate me about this is that there's nothing I can do once I run out of money. So I'm going to have to keep pushing forward without spending money. I spent all that time and effort and all that money, but now I can't even use it because if I do, I'll just run out. And sure, I can get Devastator ammo back that way. Oh, it looks like I've maxed myself out on... I mean, I guess I could do it this way and come and farm up ammo. Interesting. So it'll stop locking on after a while with the blaster. Nothing else seemed to work out well anyways, but yeah, more Devastator. It's a shame. If I had just not spent all the money, I could have saved up just a little bit more and gone and bought the other health. This is a much more intense fight than any of the other bosses before. I'm not gonna sit here and take that. How did that hit me? I watched my little drone buddy go for it and take it out. Oh. Maybe the blaster really is just the best weapon ever. Yeah, that's just a little, I feel like it's wrong to have a multi-phase boss fight like this. Uh-oh. And then when you get to the third, and what I would assume to be the final platform, you can't even do anything about it. I was wondering if that was going to be a thing again or not. Hold on. Weapons. Because if he's going to start doing this... I'm just going to litter this whole... Nope, apparently I'm not. I was going to just litter the entire area with mines. But when I had checked... Oh wow, they got quite a range on them though. Come on. Like, are you kidding me? See if I can get the Glove of Doom and get it to do some more damage. Come on! Like, to hit me through the drone bots, I just don't feel like that's... The word fair is what comes to my mind. I mean, it's a video game. Not all video games are fair. Jesus. I wonder, it kind of feels like he has some sort of boss armor to most of the weapons. Stop running away from me and let me shoot you up with bullets. Really? That was weird. I guess I was in a crack that didn't count for damage. Where did all that ammo come from? Come on. I feel like they should have done this progressively, and instead what happens is I just get screwed. It's fine, I'm just gonna complain at this point. Because this, I don't feel like this final boss should be this hard. And I also don't feel like I should have to worry about him equipping the damn trespasser. I feel like you shouldn't have to equip the swing shot. It should be an automatic thing. Hell, once he has those mines out, I can't even use like Devastator. I have to wait until he blows them up himself. Oh, I jumped too early. Why are you firing that in my face? Let's see. Let's grab this bomb. I just expected it was going to be mine because we hadn't done it in a minute. Oh, that's a hit. Do the mines, man. Wow. That's a miss. You know, if I do it with the Robo glove, I can actually survive the missiles and get a Visibomb off. Although, like I said, it doesn't feel like it does any damage. Nothing really feels like it's doing any damage. Oh, there's a little bit of ammo over here. Too bad I can't buy health from the PDA. And I'm just going through so much ammo. Oh, Jesus, stop that, stop that. I didn't know you could do that, but cool, I guess. Wow, did they really block me from... I need my mines. At least I know that's a grind rail now. I wonder if any of these mines are actually going to end up hitting him. Well, knew that was a possibility. Alright, well, while he's doing that, let's grab the Visibomb. I should be fine to hit him. Let's grab the Glove of Doom, throw these guys out. Might be better if I go... What am I not using? I'm not using the bombs right now. I might not be able to make it. Throw the Glove of Doom. Anything that does auto, like, protection for me is a good thing to have. Yeah. I'm maxed out on Devastator ammo. Maybe that's the trick, is I just don't use anything but the Devastator. Oh, let go. Gotta go. They did a pretty good job giving me the ammo that I needed for it. Interesting. So he's gonna throw down a whole bunch of little dudes. Yeah, buddy. I Still got 3 more Devastator ammo. Alright, well that's gone. It was fun while it lasted. Oh, oh, oh. I saw it too late. I mean, I probably can get a Visibomb off. And they keep giving me the Visibomb ammo. Oh, wow! It sniped me as I was going for my my glove.